The coolest thing about where we're going with this, as we're talking about fossil fuels and changing the earth, and as our poles are shifting, the climate's changing, and the earth's getting warmer, it is the idea that cleaner, more efficient energy needs to come forward. So the question becomes, why do we not make hydrogen fusion reactors underground? It is a great place to put them. They're more stable when they're closer to the core of the planet, and they produce a ton of energy through plasmatics. We can rail the energy out through magnetics. So basically, charge a magnet, and then when the magnet's charged, send the magnet out, encapsulate it in its own energy field, and then send it to where it needs to go via whatever, and then have energy units made for cities that they can plug in and then download all the energy from the super magnet, and you use hydrogen for it. Hydrogen in itself is very unique. Water, H2O, because of the way that water works with itself, it can have a continuous reaction. And if you have the right place for the continuous reaction with a place to dump it, then you will have no problem with the reaction. If it's only got two exit strategies, either down and in or up and out, then you don't have to worry about the explosion, right? So what you do is you get your energy that starts free-flowing by breaking apart the hydrogen molecule from the oxygen molecule, then igniting the hydrogen molecule using the water molecule with a carbon base. And when that carbon base reconstitutes, it recreates water. The carbon isolates itself and turns itself into a dense crystalline form. In the middle of that, it becomes a plasmatic. When you get that energy off on the plasmatic, then you force it into a stream, right? You allow that energy plasmatic to have one way out, and then when it gets into the stream of the current, then you batteryize it into a magnet. And so because of the magnetic reference of the magnet itself, it'll want to draw as much energy to the center of it. So you take a laminated battery, right? Laminated magnetic battery, and then take the center of that battery and compress it and make it all north, surrounded by south. That way the energy flows directly into the magnet itself. That way when you take the magnet, which looks like a puck, and plug it into the fusion generator that allows you to reabsorb the energy out of that puck, then you can change the way that you process the energy and power whole cities with it. And you do it all by the plasmatics of the fusion that's created through the hydrogen process of hydrogen fusion. And you just move around pucks. And you keep charging these pucks up, and then you move a puck. You put it in a solid containment field, and then you've got energy. And you don't have to burn things anymore. Anyways, God bless God.